Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, hello, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today's video, I am going to be sharing the groceries that we picked up over the last week. I will show my meal plan. This video is probably going to be a little bit chatty. We've had some things going on over the last month that I'll just kind of update you guys on. And then at the end, I might show a home improvement project that we worked on. I didn't film any part of actually doing the project, so I'll just show you what we did and what it looks like now. I have not, so it is, what's today? Today is February 18th, and I know that videos have been going up on my channel, but I have not actually filmed a video in about a month. My entire family, with the exception of one child, all ended up coming down with COVID, and the kids are totally back to normal. My husband's fine. I had a mild case. So I'll start out by saying I did have a very mild case, but I'm just having a really hard time getting back into the groove of things. I still get a headache most afternoons. I am still really fatigued. Most nights I'm sleeping like 11 to 12 hours, which is not normal for me. Normally I like to wake up at 5. I always go to bed pretty early, but it's been a journey. So I haven't been filming. Groceries have been haven't really been meal planning. I've just sort of been winging it for about the last month. So let's start out. I'll show you what I picked up. If you've followed for a while, you know normally I spend $250 a week. I have a family of 5. We have 3 sons, my husband and myself. I decided to kind of go through my prepper pantry, see what items I already have. I still have a ton of stuff left over from the last time I went to Costco. So I really just wanted to do a fill-in grocery haul. This ended up costing $142, I think. It came from Safeway, which is a grocery store in the Pacific Northwest. So let me show you what I got, and then I will go through kind of what I plan on doing with these and the meals I plan on making. I'll try not to rustle a bunch. I know that kind of annoys people. So I ordered a 20 pack of goldfish. Looks like this was a substitution. They just did 2 of these 9 packs. I am at a point where I just kind of, if my kids want a snack, I just want to hand them a pack of goldfish. I want to throw that in their lunch. We're taking it easy for right now. So taco shells will be for a dinner one night this week. I ran out of baking chips. I like to make the kids muffins every week. So that's something I want to get back into the habit of doing. So I picked up some of the dark chocolate chips and the white chocolate chips. I planned on filming a recipe video of how I make our muffins. Fun fact, the very first video I ever posted to YouTube, which was exactly 2 years ago today, was a banana chocolate chip muffin recipe. So this is a variation of that. Don't go watch that video. I don't know, maybe you can. The recipe's good. The recipe's good, but I was so nervous, I was so uncomfortable, and it's a little bit awkward. 1 lemon. I like putting fresh citrus into dinner recipes. We were out of basmati rice, which is my family's favorite white rice. This was these extreme wellness, what are these? Extreme wellness wraps was a Weight Watchers item that I found. I guess these are 1 point, and they do seem like they're really pliable. I was watching, Jennifer Lynn is her name. She posts meal prep videos on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below, but she was saying that she makes pizzas with these, and then she'll take like a turkey burger and do like that TikTok hack where you cut it in, fold it into quarters and make it into a burger. I don't know, it looked good, so I picked those up. It's really hard to find. They say these are keto. They're probably atrocious ingredients, but it's actually not bad. It has dough conditioners and stuff like that in it, but you're not gonna find any store-bought tortillas that don't. So 50 calories per tortilla. Anyway, I'll report back on whether or not I like those or not. A seasoning packet to make chili. My family likes sliced olives. Not even my family. My husband, for whatever reason, he hates slicing olives, and we've gone back and forth about it. I'm like, it's so much more expensive to get them at the store and have the grocery store cut them for you. These are like the debates we have in my house. So to make him happy, I bought pre-sliced olives. Now, obviously, if I'm not passionate about it, I could slice them, but 4 cans of pre-sliced olives for taco nights and to go on top of our pizzas that we make every Friday. Do you have any nonsense things that you and your spouse don't see eye to eye on, that in the end, neither person's right or wrong and it really doesn't matter? So sometimes you just buy the sliced olives. Organic, unbleached, all-purpose flour. This is to feed my sourdough start. My kids are obsessed with apples. They eat apples every day. So I think I ordered 2 packs of these, but apparently they only had 1 bag of the Fuji organic apples. They've been out of the Honeycrisp. I've said before that my kids like the organic Honeycrisp apples, but I don't know, maybe because it's not apple season, they've been totally sold out and I've not been able to find those anywhere. What else? They put my name on all these bags, so I'm trying not to show what my full name is. Trying to position them just so. One of my kids is obsessed with raspberries and will eat this entire package. So I got him, I think, yes, 2 containers of organic raspberries. My entire family obviously can eat them, but I will probably stick those in the back of the fridge because one of my kids, the second he sees those are in the house, they're gone. Organic strawberries. It's been really hard to find organic berries recently because they're not in season, but I was able to find them at Safeway today, which was nice. My toddler loves these little cucumbers. He will eat these every day. I just slice them up for him. He's obsessed. But he only likes the mini cucumbers. It's very specific. Baby carrots for snacking. Organic celery for snacking. These do not look very good. It's the problem with doing grocery pickup. Sometimes you don't get the best looking produce, but these are pre-packaged individual things of carrots. Again, this is more expensive. It's a convenience thing where you can just throw it in a lunchbox and off the kids go. Alexia sweet potato fries. This was another thing that Jennifer Lynn was sharing on her channel, and I love sweet potato fries, but my kids don't like them, so I never buy them. So we decided my husband likes them too, so we're just gonna do sweet potato fries with one of our dinners, meatballs. I decided to get the turkey pre-cooked heat and serve meatballs. Hamburger buns for dinner one night. My husband is obsessed with peanuts, so got him a thing of peanuts to snack on this week. This was from a recommendation from Lauren, what's her channel? Louise Lane, I think is her YouTube channel name. She used to be on Weight Watchers, she doesn't do it anymore, but this was a recipe that she recommended, adding these fried rice pockets to either regular rice or cauliflower rice. So thought I'd give that a try. If you have been around for a while, you know that we have not had a microwave for about the last 6-7 years. And my teenage son really wanted a microwave. Like, put it on the Christmas list, wants a microwave for microwave popcorn and to just generally reheat leftovers. But we did get him a microwave this year for Christmas, and the family has been enjoying the convenience of microwave popcorn. The main reason, I mean, obviously they're kind of controversial on whether or not there's some health issues with microwaves. The main reason we didn't have one is because I don't have a place to put it in the kitchen, and I did not want it sitting on the countertop, taking up a bunch of space. So fun fact, our microwave is actually in our garage, which means that we're still not really using it that often, but we do at least have one in the house. Saltine crackers. I did not order this, so this must have been a substitution. This is sharp cheddar cheese slices. I did order the Tillamook snacking cheeses that are individually wrapped to put into lunch boxes and to give as just a snack. Apparently they didn't have those, so they substituted them with this pack of pre-sliced cheese. Pizza cheese for our Friday night pizza night. My husband makes our kids bacon on the weekends, and I found this, what is this, like 3 pounds? 3 pounds of bacon. So that should last for the entire weekend. And then a pack of grass-fed ground beef. We also have, we have 2 packets of cases, 2 things of bubbly in the strawberry flavor. My husband likes to drink a bubbly on most evenings. Again, this was a total of $142. And I feel like I've been so lackluster in this video. Like, I had to force myself to film it because I knew that the fact I hadn't actually filmed a video in a month, that could go on forever and I could never get back into the swing of it. So now I will go over the meal plan for the week. I have also not been using my planner. So looks like the last time I wrote in my planner was the 31st of January. So I probably need to go back and watch my own habits video from the beginning of the year and figure out what habits I was sticking with as of the beginning of the year and get back into some sort of normal routine. Anyway, so for this week, for breakfast, we're gonna be doing oatmeal. We already have oatmeal in the pantry. I may make some sourdough bagels. If not, we have bread in the freezer, so we'll just do toast for breakfast. The kids have bars, they have applesauce pouches, and then we'll do nuts and berries for breakfast. Lunches, I'm going to send the kids with sandwiches, carrots, celery, apples, and the goldfish crackers for their school lunches. And then I have some soup in the freezer that's pre-made, so I will just pull that out for myself for lunch for this week. Snacks will also be goldfish. We have some pretzels left over in the pantry, carrots, apples, homemade muffins. I do have, try not to make a bunch of noise here. I did make a batch of muffins, so they do have these available to eat as a snack. And then pickles. My kids are obsessed with pickles, so they can have that as a snack. For dinners, I don't have specific nights that we're having certain meals. I just wrote down a couple of ideas of things that I could serve for dinner. We are going to do burgers and fries one night, a freezer meal, something that I've just already prepped and have in the freezer, or maybe one of the items that I picked up at Trader Joe's. What was that, like 6 weeks ago at this point? So we've got, that's why I like at the beginning of the year to get like a bunch of those convenient Trader Joe's freezer meals for a night where you just don't feel like cooking. So those I'll probably put to use this week. Lentil tacos is a recipe that came from how Jen does it. She doesn't make videos anymore, but she has a lentil taco recipe that I'm going to be making. Lemon caper chicken with some green beans that we have in the freezer and some potatoes that we have in the freezer, spaghetti and the turkey meatballs, chili, and then every Friday we make homemade pizza. So I will be doing that on Friday night. That sums up the grocery haul and the meal plan for this week. I'm gonna show you a clip. See, my husband, I don't think anything gets this guy down. So he is stuck at home with it. It worked out, he was at home for a week because of COVID, and then he just happened to be on vacation the next week. So we were originally gonna go someplace, but we had to cancel it. And he was not gonna be tied down for the entire week, just sitting on the couch doing nothing. So he decided to install can lighting in the living room and the hallway, which our house was built 50s, 60s, something like that. And there was no lighting at all in the living room. So he figured out how to get that all set up and installed. So now we have lighting, which is great. That's been, you don't realize what a difference lighting makes in a house until you put it in and realize that it really just makes all the difference in the world having lighting. So I'll go ahead and insert a clip of what that looks like now. So here is what the lighting looks like. He put in all of these lights in the living room, and he also, let me turn them on here. He also installed lights in the hallway. We used to have one, you can still see it, we had one boob light right here. So having recessed lighting has made such a huge difference. I'm just loving the way that this all turned out. And then these are on a dimmer, which is great, so that we can dim them in the evening if it's a little bit too bright in here. I hope that you guys have all been doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.